Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dal. Let's look at today's top health highlights. Delhi doctor swindled out of rupees 4.5 crore. In a shocking incident, a 34-year-old female doctor became the victim of Delhi's biggest cybercrime, losing rupees 4.5 crore to cyber fraudsters pretending to be from Mumbai Police, Narcotics Division and DCP level officers. The doctor's scam started with a phone call about a FedEx package being seized. The woman was told that the drug MDMA was found in her package that was seized and that she was recipient of a narco money. The fraudsters talked to the doctor several times on Skype. Some would come posing as a policeman and some would call themselves officers of the RBI. To make the fraud appear genuine, the fraudsters were put on Skype calls posing as customs and narcotics officials. The doctor said that she did not know about any courier. The caller asked her to complain to the Andheri police station. Then the call was transferred to some Inspector Smita Patil. Inspector Patil advised to file a complaint online and download Skype app. While the doctor was waiting on the call, she overheard the conversation that her ID has been misused for opening 23 bank accounts in Mumbai and flagged for money laundering. The doctor broke the FD of 1.15 crore and was then asked to go to the branch located at Gopinath Bazaar for the rest. The victim was told not to involve anyone, not even her husband, as he too would be considered in a compliance in the crime. The doctor was told that the money deposited in his account was illegal and should be transferred to the RBI account. The fraudster said that the amount will be refunded after verification. A complaint was sent to the doctor on the letterhead of the Mumbai Police. A letter from RBI also came along with it. The woman was then asked to share the screenshot of a transaction of rupees 1 crore. After that, another transfer of rupees 90 lakh took place. The lady doctor was forced to take her husband's signature, then broke the joint FD and got that amount transferred as well. When a total of rupees 4.73 crore was transferred, the woman was told to wait for the RBI clearance report. The fraudsters also told the doctor that they will generate a new Aadhaar ID for her as the previous one was blocked. She was also asked to delete all Skype conversations. After waiting 4 days for her money to be refunded, the doctor received no information from the fake Mumbai Narcotics Division. Later, she received 2 clearance certificates stating that her accounts were in order and that no illegal transactions were detected. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.